Can you spot the difference challenge? Let's go. Got your guess? No? Okay. Let's see it in the light. Spot the difference? Yes! This one on the right has Spot UV. Spot UV is a glossy coating applied to specific areas, usually logos or text. It catches the light and adds a premium feel instantly. You can literally feel the difference too. Spot UV adds texture that draws attention to key elements of your design. While this card on the left has no Spot UV, it's a standard matte finish. It gets the job done. The non-UV version is clean with no texture or highlight zones. If you're ready to elevate your branding, start with your card. Which one do you prefer? Let us know. It's not about being flashy. It's about being memorable. Image magic. Ideal to print